Good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 2. Plants store excess food in the form of A. Cellulose, B. Glucose, C. Glycogen, D. Starch, and E. Sucrose. Now, plants, like we know, plants manufacture their food. Plants manufacture their food. That is, they produce their own food. So plants manufacture their food, and they do this by using what? They do this by using water, chlorophyll, chlorophyll presence in chloroplast, and sunlight. So those are the three main factors required for what? For production of plant food, and this process is what we call photosynthesis. So the process by which plants manufacture their food with the help of water, chlorophyll, and sunlight is known as photosynthesis. Now, when photosynthesis occurs, plants manufacture their food in form of glucose, and the byproduct of photosynthesis is what? Oxygen. But this is the main thing here. The glucose is the main thing. Now, plants manufacture their food in form of glucose, but now this glucose, when stored in the plant body, and it is mostly stored in the plant leaves. When stored, they are stored in form of what? Starch. Remember, glucose is a monosaccharide, but starch is a polysaccharide. So therefore, plant food are actually stored in what? In starch form, which is a polysaccharide, and that is option D. Now, glycogen is stored in animals, not plants. Glycogen is stored in animals, so it is not correct. And glucose is the what? Food produced, but they say the food was stored, that is, plant stores excess food in the form of starch. So starch is the correct answer to this question, which is option D. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.